Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank God for giving me this opportunity to greet my kumparing Ariel. And also, I would like to thank Hazel for inviting me to, be a part of your celebration. And paring Ariel, happy 60th birthday. Mabuhay ka pa ng hanggang 100 taon o higit pa. Salamat sa Panginoon sa pagpapala mo. Alam ko na you are doing well. And I would like to leave you or give you a message from the Bible, Psalms 20 verse 4, that may He give you all the desire of your heart, and all your plans may succeed, and may all your requests be granted by our Lord Jesus Christ. Thank you once again. Happy 60th birthday to you, paring Ariel, and regards to all of the family and to all your guests. Hello everyone, and this is Maya po, daughter of Queen. Hello, say Sally, say everyone, hello. Bye. Bye.